Storage servers and clusters have to be monitored all the time. You can make a basic diagnosis by reading the graphs in the Diagnostics menu in our software. We can also go a step further and utilize the Checkmk software, which is integrated with Open-E JovianDSS. You can build a separate server for it, create a virtual machine, or use it as a plugin directly in our software, as we do it right here. To install it as a plugin, you need to upload 2 small updates into the Open-E JovianDSS GUI. Go to System Settings, Update, and upload 2 small updates, a base engine for containers and a Checkmk container itself. After that, you can access your Checkmk GUI by typing your storage server IP with a proper port in the browser. There are no additional steps required if you are using our plugin. Go to Monitor, All Hosts, and all of the nodes in your cluster or just a single node are already monitored. There you can check various parameters like I/O operation summary, CPU load, IPMI status, disk latencies and health, and many more. You can also check each option for more details to see the history and future trends. Additionally, it's possible to analyze the logs which can be downloaded from Diagnostics logs. They will be extremely useful if you need to perform a thorough analysis of your system. There is a lot to see, but it's always a great idea to start with the inspect.html file, which gives you a nice overview of your configuration, including the version of our software, hardware details, network interfaces, ZFS information, and much more. To stay up to date with the latest additions, follow our blog and YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and good luck with managing your data storage.